Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through an application that allows you to call Canada and the US for free. Do not worry, you can call all landlines and mobile numbers with this application. All you need to have is internet connection and you're good to go. So let's go over to my phone where I give you a general tutorial of using this application where you can call for free. Let's go. Now that we're on my phone, the name of the application is called TextNow. Now, this application has many features. Let me just close this. Yes, currently what they're prompting me to do is to upgrade my account to a platform where I do not have to pay or see ads. Now, there are two settings. Upgrade to remove ads, ad-free, so I'd pay $9 per month, or I can go to the profile that allows me to pay say $2 per month where I have less ads to see. Now, what I'll get in this subscription, they say here, removal of all ads, keep your number when inactive, voicemail transcription, unlimited photo and history. Now, let me just close this. Now, here is the platform. Now, the name of the application is called TextNow, and I'll have a link in the description where you can sign up to this platform for free. Now, here I have the names of people who I've contacted. If I were to scroll down, you can see the history of all my calls to the US. This is a legit application that allows you to call anywhere in Canada and the United States. Now, if we were to go to the upper left to the three marks, we can tap on it. On tapping on it, you'll get your number. Now, when you sign up for the first time, you'll have an option of choosing an American number, which is convenient for you. Just beside the number, you'll have the sign of sharing. So I can share this number with any social media platform that I'm currently using. Now, to the further right, it says Wi-Fi only. I've tried it, and you can use it using your Wi-Fi connection and also your mobile connection. If you go further down where it says earn credits, you can come and earn credits by paying for credits to call numbers which are not in the United States or Canada. However, I use this application for calls to the US and Canada only. For calls to, say, for example, UK, I normally use either my WhatsApp Messenger or I use Skype, where Skype offers you a monthly subscription of calling various numbers in the UK. So let me go back over. Now, beside that, the other star or diamond subscription they have is that you remove ads. Next to that, we have the star, where we can go and unlock other features to this platform, as you can see. Lock in numbers for a year, lock your number in, and stuff. If we were to go down, get free ads light, free ad-free, get started. And as you can see at the bottom here, there are ads which the company is promoting. If we were to go back, let me just highlight the removal of this. So we came across upgrading to remove ads, paying about $9 per month or $2 per month. Let me go back to see. Okay, when we go to my store, in my store, you can get all these features, which are just encouraging you to lock your number in and having an ad-free profile. If we were to go to the conversation takes us over to the main dashboard where we can see our call history, places that we have called in the US or in Canada. Now, if we were to go lower to call history allows you to see the calls that came in, the calls that left your phone, and the calls that, yes, just that's your phone. And yes. So if we were to go to the right where it says missed call, you'll see all the numbers which had called your phone or my phone, and we did not respond. Again, there are ads at the bottom. Now let me go over back to the three marks, and I'm going to tap on it. Now here, if we were to go to the wallet section covers how much credit I have on the platform. Now, when you only need credit, guys, to call numbers which are outside of the US and Canada. Yes. So let me go back over. Now here they say you use credit to make low-cost international calls or lock. Earn credits by watching videos. I haven't explored this option of earning credits on the platform. However, you can go and try it out. Now let me go back. Settings, you can go and you can add your email address, your password, and here my name, you can see my name is Marlon McLeod, my age, interests, adding more information about yourself, this is my number, and so forth. Now, if I were to go back to the setting page, I have message section where it says signature. Now I can send messages to people using this application. Now I can put my signature if I want. I can say Marlon McLeod, and then I can say okay. Now the signature is just a way of showing that the platform is professional when you're sending messages to someone else. Mark, you guys, this application allows you to send messages from the application to the landline, the phone numbers, the mobile phone numbers. Landline, it doesn't allow that option. So you can send messages from this, you can receive also. So as long as you're connected to the internet, you can receive text messages from mobile numbers in the US and Canada, which is amazing. If we go down, quick response, you can edit this and type whether you want to send this set up to chat and send receiver messages while using other apps. It's possible, but you have to set that up. If you want to have TextNow pop up outside the app to view new messages, you can. All you have to do tap, and it allows you to see the messages when you're not in the platform. Now, if we were to go over lock screen quickly, it's able to do that, so you do not miss any, say, incoming calls, or forget to get back to them when you're not using the application. Now, if we were to go down lower, we have import SMS, bring your text messages into TextNow. It's possible, but you'll be going into the setting of the phone, which I don't recommend you to do. Here it is, set up TextNow as your default messaging application. I would recommend doing that. Yes, keep it as is. Use TextNow as an application for calling, and leave the default setting of your messages on your phone through the default route. Now, if we were to go lower, you can come and you can change the type of ring that you have on the phone. You can voicemail. So yes, and here, sorry, you can have the ringtone, which is here. That ringtone setting you can choose for elongating calls. I haven't explored this section to see what it's all about. Sorry, guys. If we were to go lower, call forward, you can tap on that, but that will then push you to upgrade to a higher version of the application. And again, using the phrase sufficient, calling the US and UK landlines, mobile done, it's sufficient. If we were to go down lower, we can add numbers that we do not want to call us, block numbers. Now let me go back. Now notification. Okay, when you come to the notification section, you'll have the option of changing your screen, your display. So if you want a light blue, you can do that. If you want a red, it's up to you. Yellow, it's up to you. It goes back to the theme. Or you can have the moon sign like this, or the sun day like this. This looks cool. I'll say that, then I'll go back here to just show you what it looks like. Now, say that you'd like to make a call. What you do, you go, sorry, let me go back. So we have came out of the settings. Now we need to make a call. What do? You do? You go up to the top where you see this microscope here. Go to the right, tap on this call sign, then you'll be prompted here. Here, what you do, guys, it says unlimited. Canada and the US, free. What you do, you go and you add an American number if you have one. And let me just show you, give you an example of an American number that you can call and test to see if the application actually works, and it does. Now let me go online and find a company that American Teeth, for example. Let me just show you. Contact that it actually works, and you can call places for free. So let me go back. Yes, I was just using my computer. Now let me go to the main dashboard here and find a number from the US so that you can see that the application actually works. I'm going to type in for example, the best dentist in New York. Contact number. I'm going to tap this. Now I need to look for an American number. Now here we have the first thing that comes to our eye, and it's an ad, and below it says call. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on call, and what happened, guys, when the application is running in your phone, it automatically gives you the option of choosing between the normal way of calling, which is your phone, or TextNow, or you can use Skype. I'll just tap on TextNow and tap on just once. Give that, and look, guys, see it's ringing. This is a United States number. Just to show you that it actually works. After you're done making the call, you can just close it and the call the same way. If I were to go, no, 1 minute, if I have under the unlimited where it says Canada, it's going to highlight to you other countries that you can use the application. But keep in mind that you have to have credits in order to use and call these other countries. So there are many countries you can call with the condition of having credit on this application. Other than that, you can use this specifically for the US and Canada. Now let me go back here. On the lower end of this, where it says beside the green, we have the contacts. That will take me to the contacts in my phone. Go back. On the further left, video calls. Haven't tried this video call, but I would presume that if someone has a TextNow application on their phone, I can then contact them using video calls through the application, which allows me to see them. Yeah, let me just close this and go back. So here, you see my call history. Even you can come here, guys, and tap on this red, and it takes you back over to the keyboard or the number bar where you can make calls by adding the number in the US. For example, international. Yes. Hope you've gotten a lot of information from this free application that allows you to contact numbers, whether it be mobile or landlines in the US or Canada. Thank you for your undivided attention, and please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video with your friends and family. That allows them to contact their loved ones in the US or Canada, wherever they may be around the globe. Thank you for watching. Take care and ta-ta. Bye.